Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna be unboxing the Galaxy Buds FE, the one that released back in October 2023. As you can see, we have few details about the buds themselves, and I like the fact how the case and the box feels so small in my hand and premium, though it's 2 years old. At the back we can see a few features like the noise cancellation, the ambient sound, but also 6 hours coming from both buds when the noise cancellation is activated, and 8.25 hours when they're off. And the case itself can hold up to 21 hours. Inside the box we can see the buds themselves in the white finishing, which I really love. I'm gonna put them aside first. And we can see that we have more accessories. We have a white cable, which seems to me quite long, and I really like the fact that it comes this long in this length, because normally we get small cables coming from buds and AirPods and all sort of. The cable itself, it's kind of feels good, it feels premium. And I believe this one can also be used to charge your smartphone if you have a Type-C smartphone. And I love the fact that it's white and therefore good in the hands. And we have some extra tips. If the one that comes with the buds, you don't like them, they don't fit in your ears perfectly, you can still swap and use the one that fits. But also we have extra rubber, because the Buds FE comes with rubber that give that extra grip in your ears and allow them to settle and not fall down. So if you don't like the one that comes in the box, you can still replace with this one. By the way, if you like this video so far, please leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned. Here you can see the case itself, which looks really great. I love the fact that it's glossy, though it can easily get fingerprints, but you know, they are small, they can easily fit in your pocket. And I love the fact that the buds and the inside case have the matching color, they really blend in, which I really love. And they're not really that heavy, so you won't really feel them in your ears. And with that extra grip, I believe they won't fall easily. So guys, this is about FE. If you want to see another video of me talking about them after using them for a while, please subscribe and stay tuned, as I'll be dropping that video soon. Thank you so much.